Are you tired of your GoPro playing hard to get? Sure, it captures breathtaking moments. But what if we told you there are some equally impressive contenders out there just waiting for their chance to shine? Welcome to the wild world of action cameras that won't break the bank or your heart. Whether you're a thrill-seeking adventurer or just want to document your cat's daring leaps from the couch, we've got the scoop on the best GoPro alternatives that deliver quality, features, and fun. Buckle up, camera enthusiasts. Your next epic adventure starts right here. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website, consumerpicked.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. AKASO Brave 7LE. Our pick for best budget GoPro alternative. Are you on the hunt for an action camera that won't make your wallet weep? Enter the AKASO Brave 7LE, a savvy little gem that gives you a taste of the action without the steep GoPro price. Sure, it tops out at 4K with 30 frames per second, but let's be real. Unless you're chasing down a cheetah or surfing a tsunami, that's more than enough for capturing your weekend warrior adventures. Now, you might think that a budget-friendly camera screams cheap, but don't judge a book by its cover. Sporting an IPX7 rating, the Brave 7LE can brave the elements like a champ. Rain? No sweat. A splash from a rogue wave? Bring it on. Plus, with bundles that throw in a sturdy protective case, you won't miss out on those fancy accessories you see GoPro aficionados flaunting. But wait, there's more! This little powerhouse comes equipped with 2 screens, so you can selfie your way through every epic moment. And while the 6-axis EIS pushes some cropping into the mix, it helps keep your footage smoother than a buttered slide. So if your budget's tighter than your gym shorts after the holidays, the AKASO Brave 7LE is your ticket to capturing all those wild memories without sacrificing all your beer money. Grab it and let the adventures unfold. Number 4. DJI Pocket 2, our pick for best GoPro alternative with gimbal stabilizer. Looking for a GoPro alternative that won't weigh you down? Say hello to the DJI Pocket 2, the tiny powerhouse that fits right in your pocket but delivers footage so smooth you'll swear you hired a pro. Seriously, with its built-in gimbal stabilizer, even your most ambitious adventures won't look like they were filmed during an earthquake. Planning a group getaway? The 180-degree panorama mode has you covered. Capture those epic moments with friends or show off that breathtaking landscape you stumbled upon. And let's not forget the genius Active Track 3 feature, which keeps your favorite subject in the frame as you dart around, so you can focus on making memories, not fiddling with the camera. Ever wished you could zoom in without losing quality? The Pocket 2's 8x zoom is a game changer, letting you snap stunning shots from a distance. Goodbye, awkward selfies. The icing on the cake? The nifty AI editor. It'll mix your clips to the beat of your chosen music, adding snazzy transitions that'll make your followers think you've got a professional editor on speed dial. With a featherweight of just 117G, a jaw-dropping 64-megapixel resolution, and the ability to shoot 4K at 60 frames per second, this little wonder is ready for any escapade. Plus, it's water-resistant up to 60 meters, so dive right in. Your next adventure is just a click away. Let's get filming! Still searching for the perfect GoPro alternative? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Insta360 Ace Pro, our pick for best GoPro alternative for content creators. If you're tired of getting your action camera to play nice in the big world of extreme sports, then Insta360 might just be your ticket to an upgraded adventure. Meet the new Ace Pro, a vlogging action cam hybrid that's got a hinge on the back, so you can check your angle without putting yourself at risk of a near-death experience. Who said vlogs and heart-pounding escapades couldn't coexist? Sure, that hinge adds a touch more bulk than your typical GoPro, but it's waterproof to a snazzy 10 meters without any cumbersome case. You can practically cannonball into the ocean and still capture every splash with style. Plus, it's co-branded with Leica. Yes, that Leica. So you know when it comes to that 1-inch sensor, quality is not just a suggestion, it's a guarantee. Now I won't lie to you, this beauty isn't exactly pocket change. But with low-light performance that impresses even in the dreariest British winter, you'll be raving about your under-the-radar footage, while everyone else is struggling with their night shots. And with video options that range from 8K at 24 frames per second to an eye-popping 240 frames per second in 1080p, your extreme exploits will not only be captured, they'll be glorified. So, are you ready to take the plunge? Don't just film your adventures, make them legendary. Number 2. OM System Tough TG7, our pick for best optical zoom GoPro alternative. Are you ready to ditch the GoPro's wide-angle snooze fest? Meet the OM System Tough TG7, the waterproof compact camera that's about to blow your mind. With an optical zoom lens boasting a 25 to 100 millimeter equivalent and a maximum aperture of f2 at the wide end, this bad boy gives you flexibility in your shots that will make your adventurous heart sing. Sure, it's a bit bulkier than your average GoPro. Think of it as the bodybuilder at the action camera party. But hey, if you don't mind adding a little muscle to your gear, the TG7 is tough enough to endure whatever you throw at it. It's practically begging for adventures, whether that's snorkeling with sea turtles or enduring a family picnic disaster. While it may not have gone through much of a makeover from its predecessor, don't let that fool you. People love it for a reason. Even competitors' executives are whispering sweet nothings about its solid build. Plus, you can rule the world from your smartphone with app control and remote transfer. Because who doesn't want to feel like a secret agent while capturing epic moments? Weighing 249 grams, waterproof up to 15 meters, and capable of 4K video at 30 frames per second, this little dynamo means one thing. It's time to rethink your camera game. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. DJI Osmo Action 4, our pick for best GoPro alternative overall. The DJI Osmo Action 4 is your new pocket-sized action hero that's ready to take on both the elements and your wildest adventures, all without breaking the bank. Imagine this: a 155-degree field of view that lets you capture every epic moment, paired with the ability to film in stunning 4K at a brisk 120 frames per second. Perfect for those high-speed shots that make your friends wonder if you've got superhero reflexes, right? But wait, there's more. Ever find yourself trying to film in low light, squinting like a mole? Fear not. This nifty little gadget sports a 1 in 1.3-inch image sensor that'll make low-light footage look better than your ex's Instagram filter. Plus, it's built like a tank. Dive down to 18 meters underwater or brave the icy slopes with temperatures as low as 4 Fahrenheit. Talk about all-weather fun. And did we mention the perks? With 10-bit color depth and smart stabilization, you can shoot your adventures at any angle without a hitch. Need quick power? That 30-watt fast charging gets you back in action in no time. All those nifty accessories? Check. The Action 4 plays nice with old gear too, making it easy to jump in without emptying your bank account. So grab this bad boy, strap it on, and get ready to turn your next outing into a blockbuster masterpiece. Are you ready to roll? That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of GoPro alternative. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which GoPro alternative you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.